Learn with Jingle Kids.
Hey kids, welcome back to Jingle Kids India. This is episode 3 of our alphabet adventure. We have already learnt few simple words starting with the letter E. Today we are learning how to write the alphabet E. Let's start with the capital E or the uppercase E. Make a tall straight line going down from the top to the bottom. Draw a short line across the very top. Now draw a short line in the middle and a short line at the bottom. It looks like a comb with 3 teeth, right? Now let's learn how to write small e or the lowercase e. Make a little circle in the middle and extend the tail by making another circle, but leave a little gap at the end. This is small e or the lowercase e. Good job, kids. See you in the next class with new alphabet adventure. Till then, take care. Bye.